YouTube thumbnail tricks. Introduction. YouTube thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting viewers and enticing them to click on your videos. With millions of videos competing for attention, it's essential to create compelling and eye-catching thumbnails that stand out. In this article, we will explore a variety of thumbnail tricks and techniques that can help you increase your click-through rates, center, and ultimately grow your YouTube channel. 1. Create a clear and engaging visual. The first rule of an effective YouTube thumbnail is to create a clear and engaging visual. Make sure the thumbnail reflects the content of your video accurately. Use high-quality images or screenshots that are visually appealing and capture viewers' attention. Bright and bold colors can help make your thumbnail stand out among others in search results and related videos. 2. Incorporate text and typography. Adding text to your thumbnail can provide valuable context and increase the chances of viewers clicking on your video. Use concise and attention-grabbing headlines or phrases that highlight the main topic or benefit of watching your video. Experiment with different font styles, sizes, and colors to find the right combination that complements your visual elements. 3. Use faces and expressions. Human faces can have a powerful impact on attracting viewers' attention. Consider incorporating faces, expressions, or emotions in your thumbnail to create a connection with potential viewers. Faces can evoke curiosity, emotions, or a sense of relatability, which can entice people to click on your video. 4. Thumbnail design principles. Apply basic design principles to your thumbnails to make them visually appealing and easy to understand. Use the rule of thirds to compose your thumbnail and create a balanced layout. Place important elements strategically, such as the main subject or text, in the intersecting points of the grid. Ensure that your thumbnail is uncluttered and easy to read, even in small sizes. 5. Test different thumbnail variations. Experimentation is key to finding the most effective thumbnail for your videos. Create multiple variations of thumbnails for a single video and test them to see which one performs best. Use YouTube's analytics to track the center and audience retention for each thumbnail. Analyze the data to understand what works and what doesn't, and adjust your future thumbnail designs accordingly. 6. Stay consistent with branding. Develop a consistent visual style for your thumbnails to help viewers recognize your content easily. Use a similar color palette, font style, or layout across your videos. Consistency builds brand recognition and trust among your audience, increasing the likelihood of viewers clicking on your videos. 7. Optimize for mobile and small screens. Keep in mind that a significant portion of YouTube viewers watch videos on mobile devices or in small windows. Ensure that your thumbnails are legible and engaging even when displayed at a small size. Avoid using excessive text or small fonts that may become unreadable on smaller screens. 8. Utilize contrast and visual hierarchy. Make effective use of contrast to highlight important elements in your thumbnail. Use contrasting colors, such as light and dark shades, to create visual impact and draw attention to key components. Additionally, establish a clear visual hierarchy by prioritizing the most important elements. Place the main subject or focal point prominently in the thumbnail, and use size, positioning, and color to guide the viewer's eyes towards it. 9. Incorporate branding elements. Include consistent branding elements in your thumbnails to strengthen your channel's identity. Add your logo or channel name in a subtle but recognizable manner. This helps viewers associate the thumbnail with your content and builds brand awareness over time. However, avoid overwhelming the thumbnail with excessive branding elements, as it may distract from the main subject and appear too promotional. 10. Tell a story or create intrigue. Engage viewers by telling a story or creating intrigue within your thumbnails. Use visual cues or symbols that convey the essence of your video's content and pique curiosity. Incorporate elements that evoke emotions or pose questions, encouraging viewers to click and find out more. Balancing the right amount of information and curiosity can be a powerful technique to generate clicks and increase viewer engagement. 11. Follow YouTube's thumbnail guidelines. To ensure your thumbnails are not flagged or restricted by YouTube, follow their community guidelines and thumbnail policies. Avoid using misleading or deceptive images that do not accurately represent your video's content. Additionally, refrain from using explicit or inappropriate imagery. By adhering to these guidelines, you can maintain a positive reputation on the platform and ensure that your thumbnails are visible to a wider audience. 12. Analyze competitors and trends. Stay up to date with the latest trends and analyze what successful creators in your niche are doing with their thumbnails. Take inspiration from their designs, but add your unique touch to stand out. It's essential to stay relevant and keep an eye on evolving viewer preferences. Continuously monitor and adapt your thumbnail strategies to align with current trends and maintain a competitive edge. Conclusion: YouTube thumbnails are powerful tools for attracting viewers and increasing center. By following the thumbnail tricks discussed in this article, you can create compelling and eye-catching thumbnails that stand out from the crowd. Remember to create clear visuals, incorporate text strategically, use faces and expressions, apply design principles, test different variations, stay consistent with branding, and optimize for mobile screens. With these techniques, you'll be well on your way to boosting your click-through rates and growing your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.